Sanja, if Grandma had a dick, she'd be Grandpa. And that just means that if you never crash a car in drifting, it would stay whole and beautiful. But here is a thing. If Grandma had a dick, she would be Grandpa. The word if is the key here.
Моя бабушка читает газету «Жизнь». Жаль только не пересечься нам с вами. Вы на экране, а я дома с пультом на диване. И не дай бог ей открыть рот, шоу-биз, держись. Моя бабушка читает газету «Жизнь».
Hello guys, you are in the garage of the Car X Motorsport. This is where those legendary CVs are built, red, yellow, blue. This is a block format. That's Ilya working on something, cutting, grinding, I don't even know it's back there. So if you wanted the behind the scenes look at the garage life, a drift team in action and all that little moments in between, well, you are on the right place. Come on, jump in, hit that subscribe button. I don't know if it's there below, but just click it. So let's block, bye-bye. We are heading out to a body kit production shop to talk and figure it out why things take so long. Plastic takes really long time to make. And yet, sometimes it's quick, but usually it's long. Right now, we are gonna pick up a door, carbon fiber. It's been since 2023. What year is now? 25. We have one carbon fiber and still waiting for the other one. So in Russian drifting, making one carbon fiber door takes like 2 years actually? Yeah. They said in 3 years, but we are trying getting it too. Tell me please, how this keep happening? How does it take so long? You tell me. I have the plastic ready in a month, 3 months has passed. Then I have the door in 2 weeks and another 3 months.
Well...
What's happening?
I have no answer for that.
But something must be happening, right?
I think we are just too in demand. Maybe the queue is just too long, you know.
But maybe you can just organize it better, right?
Not always work like that.
Alright, let's look at differently. You have a list of order, right? Like who's writing you?
Are we just having marketing lessons?
I'm just asking. This is a real question here, you know?
Look, there is a lot of factors here. It's crazy. Right now, you see, I've got
Okay, we're heading back to Tolia right now. What do you say to Tolia? We are just calling him and say, hey, Tolia, we don't have plastic because...
What do you mean you don't have plastic? You do have plastic.
I have the 15 there that I sent you in December, and you said it would be ready in a month.
But the month isn't over yet, right?
A month, and the second month is ending right now. You won't believe me how time flies. You know, this is all matter of emails. You open it up and check.
You have to order half a year in front.
I'm ready to wait for half a year, but what happened is that I wait half a year and then I call you, Oleg, I need it, and you say it's going to be in 2 weeks. How do we make this? Something we can plan for. We build cars for deadlines. When I'm building, for example, I have a plan. I know it's December, Oleg says a month, so I expect to get it in 3 months. So I plan it like that, but the problem is, like, I know this, I suffer this, and I'm already being scolded a lot for not thinking about it sooner. But the fact is, how do we make sure that the time we plan actually works out? And I'm gonna have it when I need it.
I don't know.
Look, I just want to understand what's the deal here. Why is making body kits like this? Is maybe you need time to create?
I have to agree with the guys.
Oh, a secret chat. Oh, instead of Monopoly price, you control waiting times. Someone places an order and you're like, okay, last time was a year, let's make it 2 years this time. They will take it anyway.
But the car drives. They look good, right? It's practically the best in the world.
Best one's here. Well, at least at ADM. Nice.
Careful there.
Don't you have some stretch wrap here? Feels like every day you can come and grab something. Feels like someone shows up and my plastic is going to be gone too. But the place is nice.
Yeah, it's great here.
I think Sanja's getting hard just looking at it.
Right now? And what should I say? Oh, right. Just improvise.
Hey everyone, we are Mishkova This is our garage, and today we will show you who we work next to, our neighbors. Let's come in.
You know we don't play, stay out the way. Check out this look on my face. I'll come save the day. Give me my cape, look at I'm flying away.
This is Artyom, our neighbor. He's great. He knows how to turn bolts and tighten knots. Right now, he's pulling out the GZ manifold. JZ, there it is. Well, Andre is here too, and he is our neighbor too, and he also takes our manifolds.
So basically, this shop specializes in removing manifolds.
Exactly, that's all that they do. They just take off manifolds.
This is cool, man.
I'm a cameraman.
We have a drift school. Well, we teach people how to slide cars. But in our free time, we turn wrenches because cars need maintenance. The ones who drift, and that's expensive. At the school, we have 4 cars. This is the Silvia S15 and an Alteza. By the way, there's Alteza engine there. It finishes the season and it's done for. This includes 2 summer cars and 2 winter cars. These are Zhiguli 4 and 5. The 5 has an SR engine and the 4 is stock with 8 valve.
Unfortunately, there is no Zhiguli 5 right now, there is only a 4. And I want to say this, the owners of this place, they drive real Russian cars. Like Andrusha, whom we already met, here's his car. This is a VAZ 2104, and of course, Artyom's car, a VAZ 2106, built specifically for winter drifting. It's plum-colored, well, multicolored actually. The roof is white and the body is purple. A beautiful car. This is their training car, which they use, we could say, to teach people drifting. And this one is set up for summer. So people can come and train and build their skills in drifting.
Don't believe me, just watch.
And if you think motorsports are all about budgets, that millions are spent just to have the engine running, well, that's quite not right. So let's take a look at 2GZ GTE in a Nissan Silvia S14. No idea what the dyno will show. Right now we are putting everything together, checking what works, what doesn't, and figuring out where we will race. But the main goal is RDS Europe. Maybe 1 or 2 rounds or RDS GP, we'll see how it goes, but yeah, the target is RDS Europe. Sanya,
Yeah.
we're almost done here. Should I start it?
Wait.
Okay, we're starting now. Nothing, no response.
The water is sparking.
Well, it was sparking at least. I mean, it actually showing up everything, all sensors, everything. Okay, should we try? Let's try it.
We dealt with that in Peter.
Hold on, 1 second. Which ones are these ones?
I don't remember.
The ones we had before?
Yeah.
Or were they swapped?
No, the same ones as before.
Oleg, put in the 1050 injectors now, please.
1050 MD. 1050.
We ready? Okay, starting up.
Go for it. It's blinking.
It's blinking now.
Let me know when it blinks.
Hit it again. Yeah, it's catching now.
Some more?
Crank it, start it up.
Come on, Pikachu.
Oil pressure good. Holding 6 bar here. Fuel at 3.3. It's turning, but struggling at the same time. Whoa, it's running, guys. All right, we're good.
Oh, good morning.
Got it. Alright, let's rev it and then we'll see. Yeah, I got it, understood. Thanks a lot. We'll text about it later, okay? Alright, see you. Yeah, next time.